Riding Waymo, a driverless taxi.
So today, magta-try kaming mag-Waymo because ayoko ng way ko. Gusto ko, Waymo! Driverless. Tingnan, Mike.
Ayan, walang tao.
Ah, multo! Oh, sir! Inuwalto tayo na. Good luck. I always ride this. Uy. Shucks. Oh, Mike. Enjoy si Mike.
Nandun kami yan, walang nagdadrive.
Is going to community goods. Hoy, ikaw yun! First time namin to ride. Ah! Yung driver! Ah! Ah! Minumulto tayo! A haunted car.